Good morning everybody, I am Sridhar Reddy. Today my topic is oxidation state or oxidation number. Immediately, what is the definition of the oxidation state or oxidation number? To know the definition of the oxidation state, I am giving some example. For example, I am taking the ammonia. Ammonia formula is the NH3, where nitrogen, if you observe, nitrogen bears the charge is the -3. Nitrogen bears the charge is -3. Now, what is the definition of the oxidation state or oxidation number? The possible charge acquired by an atom in a molecule. Once again, the possible charge acquired by an atom in a molecule is called as the oxidation state. Means that in the ammonia, nitrogen bears the charge is the -3. That is the possible charge acquired by nitrogen in the ammonia molecule. That's why the definition of the oxidation state, if you observe, the charge acquired by an atom in a molecule is called as the oxidation state. Immediately, how to calculate the oxidation state? In order to calculate the oxidation state of any element in any given compound, we have to follow some rules. What are the rules you are having? First one, any element in the uncombined state or free state, it is not involved in the chemical reaction. Immediately, the oxidation state of those elements is the 0. Any element which is not participated in the chemical bond, which is called as the uncombined state or free state, the oxidation state of that element is equal to 0. Best example, S8 sulfur is available in the form of the octaatomic S8 molecule. That's why the oxidation state of sulfur in S8 is 0. Phosphorus is available as the P4 molecule. That's why the oxidation state of the phosphorus in the P4 is 0. The oxidation state of the carbon in the graphite, very important for the EAMCET examination. Diamond, graphite diamond, nothing but they are called as the allotropies of the carbon. They are the pure form of the carbons. You will get no other element, only carbon element. The oxidation state of carbon in the graphite diamond, if you observe, it is equal to 0 because it is the uncombined state. That's why the first point is, any element in the uncombined state, those elements will have the 0 oxidation state. Among them, S8 is the very important for IPE. Diamond, graphite, carbon oxidation state is 0 for the EAMCET examination. Number 2. The first A group elements you take, they show the oxidation state as the +1. Whatever first A elements you take, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Whenever you are observing those elements, immediately you have to keep the +1 oxidation state because they will have the valence electronic configuration is NS1. They loses 1 electron, they show the +1 oxidation state. Ultimately, first A element appears, immediately you have to keep those elements B as the +1. All the second A group element will have the +2 oxidation state. First A will have the +1, second A will have the +2. Number 4, hydrogen will have the, generally it shows the +1 oxidation state. Generally it shows the +1 oxidation state, but whenever it combines with the metal, whenever hydrogen combines with the metal, immediately hydrogen bears the -1 oxidation state. Generally hydrogen shows the +1. But whenever it combines with the metal, ultimately metals are the positive element. Ultimately hydrogen shows the negative charge, it shows the -1 oxidation state. Oxygen shows the different oxidation states based on the compound. Normal oxygen, if you take oxidation state is the -2. Normal oxygen whose oxidation state is -2. In the peroxide, OO bond is called as the peroxy bond. In the peroxy bond, oxygen oxidation state is the -1. In the superoxide, MO2 type, superoxide, oxidation state of the oxygen is the -. Whenever it combines with the only one fluorine, then it shows the +1 and the +2. Nothing but variable oxidation state you will find for the oxygen. Generally, normal it shows the -2. In the peroxide, it shows the -1. In the superoxide, it shows the -1/2. Whenever it combines with the fluorine, ultimately oxygen shows the plus oxidation state. Oxygen shows plus oxidation state in the presence of ABCD gives you, in the presence of the fluorine, because fluorine is the highest electronegative element. That's why it shows always negative. Ultimately, oxygen must and should show the plus. Ultimately, it shows the +1 and the +2. 6th, all the fluorine always shows only one oxidation state. That oxidation state is the -1. Fluorine, whenever you are having, immediately you keep it as -1 oxidation state. 7th, the sum of the oxidation state of the element is equal to the 0. Sum of the oxidation states in the given molecule, in a neutral molecule, the sum of the oxidation state of the different atoms is equal to 0, particularly in case of the neutral atom. NH3, nitrogen will have the -3, 3 hydrogen will have the +3, -3 plus 3 equal to 0. That is called as the sum of the oxidation state of the each and every element in a molecule. If you observe, the sum will be equal to the 0. 8. Oxidation state never exceeds the group number. Oxidation state, if you take fourth group element, highest oxidation state, fourth A group element shows highest 4 only. It never shows the 5 or 6. Similarly, 6th A group element, if you observe, it shows the highest oxidation state +6 only. It never and ever shows the +7 and +8, which is called as the oxidation state never exceeds the group number. Highest oxidation state to any element equal to the group number. So these are the points you have to remember, and by taking these points, we will solve the different examples. Here I am taking some examples I am taking. For example, I am taking first example, I am taking H2SO4, where oxidation state of the sulfur we required. So I am keeping the mark oxidation state of the sulfur. What is the oxidation state of the sulfur? How to calculate the oxidation state? Here, 2 nothing but we are having the 2 hydrogen. Each hydrogen shows the +1. So ultimately this is equal to 2 into +1. Sum of the oxidation state must be equal to 0. So sulfur you have to calculate X plus 4 into each oxygen shows generally -2. It is equal to 0. Why it is equal to 0? Because sulfuric acid is a neutral molecule. Sum of the oxidation state of the molecule equal to 0. 2 hydrogen, 2 into +1. Sulfur you have to find, that's why it is the X. 4 oxygen, each oxygen shows the -2. Ultimately it is equal to 2 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. So -8 plus 2 nothing but X minus 6 is equal to 0. It implies X is equal to +6. So sulfur oxidation state is the +6. Similarly, it gives you whatever example, it is applicable for all the example. For example, I am taking the second example, I am taking KMnO4. Manganese you have to calculate. KMnO4. You have to calculate the oxidation state of the manganese immediately. Potassium, already potassium is nothing but first A group element. First A group element shows the +1. So +1 plus manganese you have to calculate X plus 4 into oxygen shows the -2 equal to 0. So 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. It implies X is equal to +7. So third example I will take. Whatever example you take, you have to find like this only. HNO3. Nitrogen you have to calculate. HNO3. So 1 hydrogen is the +1. Nitrogen you have to calculate X. 3 oxygen is the 3 into -2 equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to +5. So this is the configuration. So whatever example he gives you, by using this one you have to calculate. Now he immediately gives you some sort of the difference he shows you. He gives you like this: MnO4 minus 1. Calculate the oxidation state of the manganese. What is the difference between these two? It is the neutral molecule, it is the ionic nature. Immediately what you have to calculate? Same. Manganese X plus 4 oxygen is the 4 into -2 is equal to sum of the oxidation state equal to not equal to 0. In this case it is equal to the -1. That is the only difference. Neutral, that's the sum of the oxidation state equal to 0. But whenever you are taking the cationic or anionic nature, immediately sum of the oxidation state equal to -1. That's all. X minus 8 is equal to -1. X is equal to -1 plus 8 equal to +7. Similarly, I will take the second example. I will take any example, whatever example you take. NH4 plus. Calculate the oxidation state of the nitrogen immediately. Nitrogen you have to calculate, which is taken as the X. 4 into 4 hydrogen, each hydrogen shows the +1, which is equal to the +1. So ultimately X plus 4 is equal to +1. X is equal to +1 minus 4 equal to -3. So nitrogen bears the -3 oxidation state. Like this, whether it is a neutral molecule or cationic nature or anionic nature, whatever element he gives you, whatever compound he gives you, we will predict the oxidation state, which is called as a charge acquired by an atom in a molecule. MnO4 minus manganese B as the +7 oxidation state. Like that we will calculate. For the MCET examination, we have some peculiar examples are there. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.